The Liberty Quarters, also known as the Liberty Headquarters, were produced primarily between 1838 and 1891, not specifically from 2006. However, if you're asking about a particular coin like the 2006 Sacagawea dollar or a 2006 presidential dollar, I can clarify the history and circulation information for those. If you're looking for the Liberty Headquarters specifically, I can provide a detailed account of its history and value. Liberty Quarters were designed by Christian Gobrecht and began production in 1838. The designs included the Liberty Head, which evolved over the years through different versions of the coin, including the Seated Liberty, and later, the Barber Quarter series. In 2006, the United States Mint produced the Sacagawea dollar and launched the Presidential Dollar Coin series. This dollar coin features the image of Sacagawea, the Shoshone woman who assisted Lewis and Clark on their expedition to the West. The coin was produced to replace the Susan B. Anthony dollar, which failed to circulate widely. Sacagawea's image on the coin is well known, and the reverse side features a soaring eagle. In 2006, this coin was primarily used in circulation, though proof coins were also minted for collectors. The Presidential Dollar series began in 2007, with the first coin featuring George Washington. The coins featured past U.S. presidents in the order they served. The coins are gold-colored but are composed of an alloy of copper, manganese, and nickel. 2006 Woe. Order they served. The coins are gold-colored but are composed of an alloy of copper, manganese, and nickel. 2006 would have included preparatory plans and designs for the program. Uncirculated coins. These coins are in mint condition and have never been circulated for regular use. They typically exhibit no wear or damage and may have slight marks from the minting process. Sacagawea dollars, 2006, in uncirculated form are available, although their circulation has remained limited compared to other coins. These coins are generally available in rolls or bags. Proof coins. Proof coins are specifically made for collectors and feature a shiny, mirror-like finish due to the special minting process. These coins are not intended for regular circulation. The 2006 Sacagawea proof coin was issued by the U.S. Mint as part of a series of proof coins and carries a premium over face value. Proof versions often sell at higher prices on the collector's market. The Sacagawea dollar experienced limited circulation when it was first released. Despite the initial excitement about the coin, the general public did not embrace it in regular transactions, and it was mostly used in special purposes, such as by businesses or for ceremonial purposes. The coin eventually became less common in everyday change but continued to be produced for collectors. Coins like the Sacagawea dollar, and later, the Presidential dollar, were minted primarily in the U.S. The Sacagawea coin was available nationwide, though, due to limited circulation, it was harder to find in day-to-day transactions. Face value, $1. Coins in circulated condition typically have no premium beyond face value unless they are part of a special set or possess rare features. These coins can have a slight premium over face value, depending on their condition, packaging, and whether they are part of special packaging from the U.S. Mint, e.g., a roll, bag, or set. The proof versions of the coin can be worth more than the $1 face value, typically in the range of $3 to $5, or higher, depending on demand, condition, and market trends. Special packaging and sets. Coins issued as part of special sets or from mint bags rolls tend to have higher value than those found in regular circulation. Proof condition coins. These are generally more valuable than circulated coins because of their higher quality and intended use as collector items. Mint mark and special features. Look for coins with any special mint marks, such as the W for West Point Mint, or unique design features, as they could be rarer and fetch a higher value. The 2006 Sacagawea dollar coin is a modern piece with significant historical and numismatic value, especially for collectors who appreciate the coin's design and rarity. Uncirculated versions and proofs of the coin typically command a premium compared to standard circulated coins, and special editions and mint marks can add extra value. However, regular circulation versions are relatively common and value does not exceed the face value unless in pristine or proof condition. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more coin collecting content. See you in the next video.